Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you about Wice Debit Card. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first I'm gonna teach you how to order a card by Wice. Okay, so first, gonna open the Wice application. Once you've opened, you're just gonna head to the card tab by tapping on the card on the lower left part of your screen right next to home. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to the card tab, and unfortunately, it is still not available in my region, which is the Philippines. But if your region has an access here on this feature, you will see a different one. And if you have access, you will be allowed to order. All you have to do is to tap on order. And by the way, Wise Card doesn't have monthly payment nor a subscription fee. And once you've received the card, all you have to do is to activate it. We have a tutorial in our channel. You can just go ahead and check it out to activate your card. And once you've activated it, you can now use your card. And worldwide, there is a limited amount of free withdrawals before reaching the limit. So if you reach the limit, a certain amount of fee will be deducted to your account when you withdraw. But the limit will depend where the card is issued. It will be also indicated with the letter where your card is attached. And just a tip, when you withdraw money overseas and they have a different currency, never convert the money or never tap on the yes when the ATM is asking you to convert the money for you. Just use the local currency where the ATM is located. As for when you convert the money, a fee will be applied as well, and it will be deducted to your account. And the other uses of the debit card is just the same as your local debit card, but it will depend which will be delivered, whether it will be a Visa or a MasterCard. It will depend on your region. And if you also want to use it in your online shopping, you can do that as well, as long as you input your information or the card information for you to be able to shop. But the good thing is, unlike your local debit card, you can just transfer a certain amount for a certain price for it to be deducted to your Wise account. Just an example, you're gonna want to transfer $250. As for you're only gonna buy a $250 amounted certain goods or anything that you'd like to buy, you can just transfer the $250 to your Wise account and then use the Wise account to buy it. No hidden charges. As for Wise, we'll show you the fees, and it is calculated when you make the payment. You will see the total amount of fees that they're deducting and the total amount that you need when you buy. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.